James Stevens of Bird.
Yes, the 41st Annual Heritage Day Celebration. Motown. Hitsville at Heritage. Fish fried oyster roast. Friday, November the 7th. Starting at 7 p.m. You don't want to miss this. At Penn Center on historic St. Helena Island, South Carolina in the Gullah Geechee Nation.
Took me by surprise, I must say, when I found out yesterday. Don't you know that I heard it through the grapevine? Not much longer would you be mine. Ooh, I heard it through the grapevine. Ooh, I'm just about to lose my mind. Honey, honey, well.
Over and by my suitcase, trying to find a warm place to spend the night. Heavy rain is falling, seems I hear your voice calling, it's alright. A rainy night in Georgia. A rainy night in Georgia. It seems like it's raining all over the world. I feel like it's raining all over the world.
I never knew a girl who makes you feel the way you do. You're alright. Whenever I'm next to make some my dream, you say that you do. You're out of sight. Such things I fall for. Look out, baby, 'cause here I come. Get ready, get ready.
James Stevens III and the Motown Review. Come on through. Get your tickets at Eventbrite today. It's on the way.
On the way, 'cause here I